tiny little bass right here. He's looking at it. Come on. He's... Oh, do you see it? Yeah. There we go. Awesome. Right, first bass. I saw him eat it right in front of me. I thought for sure he was going to get spooked. Nice, there he is. Hopefully I can catch some more of your friends. Ooh, am I in his bed? Hold up, whoa, whoa, whoa. He's biting it. Got him. I think they have a bed right there. There's another one right there on his bed. All right, there we are. Another small little bass. They're really pretty though. That's what this clear water does. There's another bass waiting right there on the bed. Just gotta redo my lure. Alright. Let's see if we can nail the other one too. Didn't get spooked. Oh, there he goes. Now it's spooked. But will it come back to its bed? Alright, I'm gonna give him a little break while I change batteries because this one is about to die. One tiny bass is going at it. Come on, tiny bass. And a bluegill's picking at it. Bluegill, don't stop it. Stop it. Ooh, bass. Come on, bass. Bigger bass coming in. Oh, yeah, come on. Just eat it. Eat it. Oh! That was awesome. Oh, that was cool. Oh, damn. It was on this little power bait or little gulp minnow thing. The tiny bass was looking at it after the perch was pecking at it, and then this guy just came in and was like, no, it's my kill. Biggest bass of the day so far. So the trick when fishing like this is you really have to find a school of bass. You can't just go after the stragglers, because when they're in schools, their competitive nature will kick in, and then that's when you'll get the bite. Otherwise, these fish just don't seem very hungry, and unless their competitive nature kicks in and they fight over the food, they're not really going to bite otherwise. So really trying to look for the schools or packs of these guys. The more numbers, the better. And that seems to be the ticket today. Not seeing much over here. It might go back to the other spot where I was at. I mean, there's one. There's another one. That's a perch, actually. You really need the numbers, or else they're just completely not interested, and they'll get spooked as soon as the lure hits the water. Oh, but there's a big one right there. Though. What's gonna happen? He's all by himself. Come on, come on! Don't get spooked. It's a tiny little lure. He's gone. He was by himself, that's why he didn't eat. If there was a bunch around him, it would have been a much better chance of me getting this bass. But yeah, he's gone. He's gone. He's not gonna eat. Well, here's two. I don't know, two will better my odds a little bit. One turned around. The other one's gone. Also, I think the first two I caught were probably bedding bass. And I was screwing around with their bed, so that's why they ate. All by himself. Will he eat? Doesn't look like it. Little bluegill's nipping at it. Maybe that'll get a bass to eat it. There's like 10 fish looking at my lure right now. Come on, one of them's got to eat it. Okay, here comes a bass. Are they all perch? They nipped my tail off. There's 3 bass over there. Oh, one's looking at it. There we go. We got him. Woo! Nice. See, there was like 4 or 5 of them right in one spot. And that's what this guy ate. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, as always. And, you know, in the morning, it was a whole lot slower for the sight fishing. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe the bass, it was just starting to get warmed up, and the bass were just starting to get up and going. But definitely at the end of the day, towards the end, the sight fishing got a whole lot better. The bass were a whole lot less skittish, and some of them were actually coming out of their way to go to the bait. So I definitely think in the colder weather, early afternoon when it really gets warm is definitely going to be the ticket for the sight casting for these bass in this clear water. Otherwise, thanks for watching. That's going to be it. So, see you next time.